So when we're looking at treatment goals, within the Bobath concept, we really want to minimize atypical behavior and compensatory behavior. And when we talk about atypical behavior, what we're referring to is movement of the more affected body segment. So for example, if somebody's had a stroke, right, and their more affected side is their right side, an example of atypical motor behavior would be when they're reaching their hand to grab a cup, right? They start to elevate their shoulder girdle, abduct their arm in order to place their hand on the table. That would be an example of atypical motor behavior involving the more affected side. In terms of compensatory motor behavior, we're referring to the less affected side. So for example, if somebody's going to reach that same cup, instead of reaching with their right hand when it's on the right side, instead they compensate and use their less affected side to grab the cup and bring it over. So that would be a compensatory motor behavior.